What's up, folks? Do you know what is the most common question we get? Can I take your course and shoot everything on my phone? Okay, let's start with the end of this question. There are physical properties of things in our world, and very often these physical properties are cornerstone without which certain actions cannot be performed. It's not about technologies, it's simply about size. Size matters, no matter how much marketers trying to make this little phone a universal tool that does everything for you. It remains an illusion. Let me show you clearly. Do you really think these three little specs can replace these beauties? You see this sensor? And now imagine what it's like here. What company is making phone has been working on recent years is how to embellish and process this pathetic image taken by these tiny sensors in real time so that you never realize it's not true. And remember this joke about Samsung being able to shoot craters on the moon? That's what I'm talking about. It's just a fake. And just think about why this Hubble telescope is so big, because due to its physical properties and the tasks set before it. It cannot be smaller. And answer is yes, you can shoot with a phone. But why? Every item has its own purpose. Can you eat soup with your hands? Yes, but why would you? Come join us and we will teach you how to use a spoon. Link to the course in bio.